All right, guys, we back with another G-body. 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Calais. She has the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. She can use paint and body, but she has great potential. And you just don't see these too often. The Calais was the top of the line Oldsmobile until 85, until it got its own nameplate and moved off the G-body platform. It was replaced by the Salon. They all came with bucket seats, console, rally sport gauges. You're a great father and son project. I know kids nowadays want Scat Pack Chargers and Hellcats for their first car. When I was coming up, these were what we wanted. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's nice and clean. Bucket seats, console. Headliner. Back seat, nice and clean also. Package tray. Check out that dash. Upper. Lower. As y'all can see, she has great potential. She has the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.